New automatic LED bulb production line. Manually place the product with the light source plate into the chain mold. Press light source board. The robotic arm transfers the lamp body into the assembly. Automatic wiring. Automatically place lamp cap. Test light. Cut wire bend wire. Feed fixed rivets. Secondary fixed rivets and unloading unqualified products. Tighten lamp cap. Automatic place lamp body to assembly machine. Clamp down and fix the automatic gluing. Automatic covers. T-bubble products need to be manually placed bubble shell. Type bulb products are equipped with bubble shell feeder automatically conveying bubble shell. Laser printing logo. Automatic feed to aging line, leading to aging. Carry out high, low and medium pressure impact aging. Test the power of the bulb. According to the power of the bulb, qualified and unqualified products are sorted.